Baby.
Babes, what's up?
You know, say I'm a booga sugar and nobody else could have. Oh God, me love you, see?
Say 9 carry something come.
Yeah, baby, me got all of that. You don't have to worry about that, baby.
What time? You take too long.
I gotta do the thing what me like.
Depends on how fast I can money come.
You set my heart on fire. You are my one desire. You make my heart go boom, titty boom, titty boom.
Hurry up here. Remember some me waiting.
Alright, baby, I come right now, yeah. Alright.
Yo, maestro! Yo, brother, I'm coming, brother.
Yo, how do you, brother? Nice to see how everything good.
I look forward to how going, brother. Everything good.
So you are doing as you.
If I'm man, I'm nothing, brother. I'm hungry, brother.
God know you, me feel how you feeling, brother, but me I tell you something, broke right now.
Busy me looking, brother. Listen,
Not even have $1 to me. You out of chain even know, brother, me I tell you honest truth.
listen, me can't have a base, dog. If I'm man, I'm not eating no man. Listen, not even that.
We don't love to give a base right now, brother, but as God live it, brother, me I tell you honest truth, me broke in a dog.
If that, me can't get me teacher.
Brother, me wish me could have help you right now. Me not tell you no lie, brother. Right now, me faster than one bag juice. Nothing not go on in a brother. Swear. Broke, dog.
She don't know you.
And I told me I go right now, brother, cause a man owe me 10 grand in a day. Me I go link right now. So as soon as me get a piece of food, me I forward back in our village boat. Or 5 o'clock, you see me? First somebody me I call link, you see me? Cause me know things stay in a brother. A whole heap of time I go through them thing, you know, dog. She ain't even know you.
Anything else, brother?
Yeah, man, for me say 5 or 5. You don't know my things stay already, brother. You see it?
Bloody hell.
No joke then, I think.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
Yo, I'm gonna go past us. So you say I David.
Do your thing, man.
See? Yeah,
Yeah.
man, you don't know. Yo, Shappy.
Yo, go
Where are David?
Yeah.
Yo, here I go. Let me get 2 buckle of Magnum, 2 buckle of Baba Roots, and 1 pack of Rough Rider. Fast.
Say no Baba Road in there.
No Baba Roots not there.
Stand up in there, neither.
Alright, guess what I go on? Don't worry yourself. Give me the 2 Magnum. Yeah. Me get that up the road. See? Yeah, brother. So how much is your feet now?
6 bills they come.
6 bills feet.
Good, please. Thank God.
Yo! Oh, go on. Yo, hold on.
Brother.
Me blood cleat.
Thank God. Yo, what kind of style thing you come with now, brother?
Yo, hold on, man. Yo, I'm so far on, brother.
Come on, waste man time, you. But the man something, yeah, man.
Me want the money.